up? This is Fire Paper Original, born bad man from Gangster Age, and you are watching Zimdancehall Unstoppable. I must say, shoot.
Let's jump straight into the show, and our first guest on Zimdancehall Unstoppable is a young man who's been in the industry for quite a long time. He's made us dance to his amazing, great tracks. He's also got some serious stage presence, and he's one of the most underrated musicians, according to me, one of the finest artists in the Zim dancehall scene. Anzi Zakaipa Daindarika. Obvious, we're talking about Freeman. Time yangori kumusha wati wakambokorera kumushambidza vakamuenda kuchikoro nebhutsu dzaishinya here unozati kana
I don't lie. When I was younger, my mom used to do everything for me. Can I even kuchikoro I didn't ball from everything. My bhutsu noshinya mind doesn't my doubt of him.
Saka pane time wakamboshaya kana mari
I've got a song though. I listed everything. Yani anoziva kwanatangira kurova ngoma ndichiri mudiki ndichapfeka hembe dzamukoma. Yani anoziva panangambonoita show kubangeti pastage ndine bhuzu diki. It was real and yaidzimba. I couldn't believe it.
wakamborara pasi here kana wakushaya mari yekombi wakambokudzvanyira here zvezvo zvakunoshaya kuti how am I going to make it?
It's obvious. It was really obvious because the suits took a ghetto nomuvamazvo. And ndakakurira muno Mbare. Madhays atakakura zvinhu zvangu zvakatooma wese. Maizi. Madhays angu ekutanga kunotsvaka basa. Ndakanosenza kuchicken inn. Ndakicrossa netsoka ndakadaisa kutown. Ndoenda kudzoka every day. Ndikambotenga bike. One day ndichindoseenzera kubhiogirafi yangu. Bike rikandifira ndinozera wega. Ndikanosvika kugirafi ndipicha bike.
Doba Don, a young man who's done amazingly well on the music scene. Zim dancehall music has definitely taken over. He's won awards and he's definitely shown that he is a force to reckon with. Doba Don, did you say?
Yeah, man, Miles was strong.
I would say my running is really correct. And
yeah, man.
Doba Don, Dragambo Bakobi.
Doba Don is Zunzatanga and Zim Fana. Ndingatungoti Marinda Gatundisenda.
Mama yako shida Earlier on, I remember there was a time when you were a victim of cyberbullying. How did you handle that?
In as much as it was very difficult, I did go through a difficult time. You know, when you're like, you are all over the social media. Now I have a family, I have children, I have a husband, I have in-laws. Your picture is put there, group
and it goes viral.
Chamba bora chanije musamsoro ndela wiki ine ndinoona paskoro most ndara vane vunda chikenzero andoniwan nandi jura bronga sem you are watching Zim Dance Unstoppable.